Renewable energy is helping former felons renew their lives. As Gil Reyes reports, the future looks bright when harnessing the sun.
A solar panel installation program is providing second chances to people like David Andrade. Andrade had spent 9 years behind bars.
I just told myself that after doing all that time, I grew up in there, I want a career. I want a job, I want to stay out of trouble, and I want a family. A friend told me about Homeboy Industries, so did a family member, so I decided to come down, I checked them out.
For more than 25 years, Homeboy Industries has helped former gangbangers re-enter the workforce. Its founder, Father Greg Boyle, has helped put people to work through the Homeboy Bakery, Homegirl Cafe, also the Homeboy Solar Panel Installation Training Program. The big announcement today, more than 100 former felons have been chosen for installation training this year, thanks in part to a $100,000 grant from AT&T.
And as a former LAPD officer, now reserve officer, I understand that it's vital for former offenders to have good opportunities. Rarely did I ever arrest an individual who had a good paying job.
And so for each one of you who has had the strength to turn around your life, know that at City Hall we promise to be there with you every step of the way.
And also to collaborate with groups like Homeboy and others who are making these changes possible, finding training, providing employment opportunities.
Last year, more than 80 people graduated from training at East Los Angeles Skills Center before landing good-paying jobs. Andrade has a job, too, as assistant program coordinator for the solar panel installation program. He helps trainees find the confidence to succeed. In Chinatown, Gil Reyes for LA This Week.
The program has trained more than 500 people in solar panel installation over the past decade.